It's payday. You open your bank app. $6,700 just hit your account. Six figures a year. You made it, right? But last month's credit card bill is still sitting there. Rent auto drafts in 2 days. Your car payment is next week. And that student loan, it never stops. By the time all the withdrawals clear, you'll have maybe $300 left for 2 weeks. You earn $100,000 a year, and you're still living paycheck to paycheck. This isn't bad luck. This isn't because you eat too much takeout. Something else is happening, and almost nobody talks about it. $100,000 sounds like a lot. A generation ago, it was a lot. In 1990, 100,000 in today's dollars was roughly the same as earning 215,000 now. Back then, that salary bought a house, 2 cars, and a college fund, with money left over. Today, it barely covers the basics in most American cities. According to a 2023 survey from Lending Club, more than half of Americans earning over $100,000 live paycheck to paycheck. Over half. These aren't reckless spenders. These are nurses, engineers, project managers, small business owners, people who did everything right, graduated, got the degree, landed the job, and yet broke feels the same whether you make 40,000 or 100,000. The number on your offer letter means nothing. What matters is what you actually keep. And right now, you're probably keeping almost none of it. Here's what happens the moment you earn $100,000. Before you see a single cent, the federal government takes roughly 22%. That is $22,000. Gone. Then your state takes its cut. Depending on where you live, that is another $4,000 to $6,000. Social Security and Medicare pull out another $7,650. You haven't bought groceries, you haven't filled your gas tank, and already about $33,000 has disappeared. Your actual take-home is around $67,000. That sounds okay until you look at how modern life is priced. Housing alone eats 30 to 40% of most people's take-home pay. In cities like Dallas, Phoenix, or Nashville, a modest 2-bedroom apartment or a starter home mortgage runs $16,000 to $20,000 a year. That is not luxury. That is a basic roof over your head. Now add the car. The average new car payment in America is over $730 a month. Add insurance and gas. That is another $9,000 to $11,000 per year. Then student loans. The average borrower owes about $38,000. Monthly payments run $300 to $500. That is $4,000 to $6,000 a year. We have not even touched groceries, utilities, phone bills, internet, health insurance co-pays, clothing, or the one subscription you forgot you signed up for. By the time you add all the essentials, your $100,000 salary is almost entirely spoken for. Every dollar has a destination before you even decide where it goes. Let's run the real math, not the theory, the actual dollars. You earn $100,000. After federal, state, and payroll taxes, you take home about $67,000. Now subtract your expenses line by line. Housing, rent or mortgage, $19,200 per year. That is $1,600 a month. Car payment, $540 a month, $6,480 per year. Car insurance, $160 a month, $1,920 per year. Gas, $150 a month, $1,800 per year. Student loan payment, $350 a month, $4,200 per year. Groceries, $500 a month, $6,000 per year. Utilities and internet, $250 a month, $3,000 per year. Health insurance co-pays and out-of-pocket costs, $150 a month, $1,800 per year. Phone bill, $90 a month, $1,080 per year. Subscriptions, streaming, gym, apps, $80 a month, $960 per year. Add clothing, haircuts, household supplies. Let's call it $150 a month, $1,800 per year. Add it all up. Your annual expenses total roughly $49,240 from your $67,000 take home. You have approximately $10,900 left for the entire year. Divide that by 52 weeks. That is $210 per week. That's your breathing room for eating out, for dates, for birthday gifts, for emergencies, for fun, for saving, for investing, for everything that makes life more than just survival. $210. Here's the line that should haunt you. According to Bureau of Labor Statistics data, adjusted for inflation, a part-time retail worker in 1985 had more discretionary spending power than you do right now at $100,000. The system didn't break, it was rebuilt. And it was rebuilt to keep you at zero. This didn't happen by accident. Every layer of that expense stack has an industry behind it designed to capture your raise before you can save it. You get a promotion. Your income goes up 20%. What happens next? Your lender pre-approves you for a bigger mortgage. Your car dealership tells you that you deserve an upgrade. Your credit card company raises your limit without you even asking. These aren't gifts, they're traps. The mortgage industry profits when you buy at the top of your approval range. They don't care that your monthly payment absorbs every extra dollar from your raise. Car dealerships make the most money on people who can almost afford the car. That monthly payment looks doable until you factor in the insurance bump, the premium gas, the higher maintenance costs. And credit card companies? According to the Federal Reserve, the average credit card interest rate is now over 22%. They raise your limit because they want you to carry a balance. Every dollar you owe earns them 22 cents a year. Your raises are not reaching your savings account. They are being intercepted. The financial industry calls it lifestyle inflation, but that phrase makes it sound like your fault. The truth is, the system is designed to present you with spending opportunities the exact moment your income increases. Your mailbox fills with offers. Your apps show you better things. The algorithm knows your salary went up before your savings account does. Now, the biggest objection. Someone is thinking, just earn more, get a side hustle, work harder. But the data proves that is not the answer. A study from the National Bureau of Economic Research found that when income increases, spending increases at nearly the same rate for most households. People who went from $70,000 to $100,000 saved almost the same dollar amount as before. More money did not fix the leak. So what does? Step 1. Freeze your lifestyle for 24 months after any raise. Every extra dollar goes straight to savings or debt payoff. If you get a $10,000 raise, that is about $550 extra per month after taxes. Automate that transfer the day your new paycheck hits, not to your checking account. Directly to a high-yield savings account earning 4 to 5%. Step 2. Run the annual audit. Pull up your last 12 months of bank and credit card statements. Add every subscription, every recurring charge. The average American has about 12 active subscriptions. Most people find $200 to $400 in monthly charges they forgot about or barely use. Cancel them today, not tomorrow. Today. Step 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a ceiling, not a floor. 50% maximum on needs, 30% maximum on wants, 20% minimum to savings and debt. If your take home is $67,000, 20% is $13,400. That is over $1,000 a month going to your future. These 3 steps alone could shift $10,000 to $15,000 per year from invisible spending into actual wealth building. 2 people, both earning $100,000. Same city, same rent, same starting point. Person A does what most people do. Every raise gets absorbed. A nicer apartment, a better car, a few more subscriptions. After 5 years, person A has earned $500,000 gross. Their savings account? About $4,000. Their net worth? Basically zero. Maybe negative once you count the car loan and lingering credit card balance. They feel stuck. They feel like something is wrong with them. Person B watches a video like this one. They freeze their lifestyle. They automate 20% of their take home into savings. They cancel $300 in unused subscriptions. They keep the same car for 5 years instead of upgrading. After year 1, person B has saved $13,400. After year 2, $27,800. By year 3, they have over $42,000, with modest investing returns of 7% averaged. After 5 years, person B has roughly $80,000 in savings and investments. $80,000. Same job, same salary, same city, same rent. The only difference? Person B understood that a $100,000 salary is not wealth, it is a tool. And they learned how to stop the system from taking every dollar before they could build anything. Person A is not a failure. Person A was never taught this. That is the difference. This is not your fault. Nobody sat you down and showed you where $100,000 actually goes. Nobody warned you that the system is designed to intercept every raise before you can save it. But now you know. And knowing changes everything. You are not someone who earns 6 figures and wonders where it went anymore. You are someone who sees the machine and refuses to feed it. Subscribe, because nobody else is going to teach you this about money.